the road got a little bit, the roads here are all rocks, and you know, it's one thing if you're in sand and you get through stuff that requires high clearance, but big giant rocks embedded in the road that, you know, will just stop your vehicle. Yeah, it's not something we want to do. So we decided we were going to hike the last little bit. So from here, I'm going to head into the spring, Dragoon Spring, or Springs. See these things? These things are beautiful and super deadly. They're very unforgiving and they're super sharp. When you see these on the sides of the mountains, when you're hiking up, you need to work overtime to avoid them, because if you fall in that direction, yeah, that's medieval. Well, there's the road. And we're gonna head down there and climb through this ravine, gulch, arroyo, whatever. Right down there is a little stream, probably running out of the spring. Well, we're gonna head on over.
It's so pretty.
Yeah, I don't know what it is, but big old rusted out tank.
Yeah.
And the stream running down through there. Nice. Amazing. All the water in the desert.
I know.
Looks like there's a concrete sort of cut up. I don't know what it is, but some structure maybe to dam the water. Who knows?
Oh.
Who knows?
Look at, yeah, there's a wall over there. Ooh, I can't wait to get over there. See it better.
Oh, they were brave. They don't have much, only a little more clearance than I have.
Oh, it's a pipe.
Oh, like a culvert. Looks like a old, could be a drainage pipe or something.
I like that. Again, I can't wait to go.
Oh, okay.
That.
You want to go down there?
Yeah.
We could probably here is better to get down there.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know what that was.
Oh, so pretty.
Yeah, an old wall built into the bed here. And then the creek, or whatever this is, the spring. Yeah, nothing back here.
Nothing back there, huh?
No, it's just, I don't know. If I had to guess, I'd say it was some type of a dam at one point, maybe went all the way across, even though I don't see anything on the other side, but you know, I don't know.
I'm thinking it was a fort.
Yeah, could have been.
You know, protect themselves
Could have been anything.
from Indians or something.
Good, good imagination.
I mean,
You never know.
Since the Confederates were here, they probably had little places to hide all over the place.
Yeah. I don't think they hid in little places when you're going up against hundreds of Apaches and there's tens of you. You're probably wanting to be at the fort.
Yeah. But they had to run.
That's true. Yeah, I'm not, it's just old metal. You know, who knows what was going on here for ever.
A wall or something over there, huh? Or is it just like another big rock like this?
Well, there's just some big rocks. Yeah, just got water flowing through here. Pretty neat little area. But they had something going on here, obviously. I mean, had that wall and that structure. Yeah, pretty neat. All right, well, I don't need to see every one. I'm gonna head back out.
Yeah, I'm gonna go see what's over there.
Okay. All right. Idea. Could be. That's what it looks like. Yeah, look.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, mine.
Huh. Wow. Looks pretty deep.
Looks like there's water in the bottom of it, too.
Oh, neat.
It's not super deep, but I wouldn't, you know, it'd be a pain in the ass to get out of.
Oh, shit, I got stuck. Woo.
Gotta watch the thorns.
Yeah, those things grab you really good.
Yeah.
It looks deep to me.
Deep enough.
This is so pretty.
Yeah, it's really nice back here. Feel the water trickling down.
I know. I don't know where. It's like coming from up there somewhere.
Yeah.
It's so pretty. I gotta take a picture, babe.
Okay. Whoa. Yeah, there's definitely easier ways to go. Oh. Oh.
I don't know if that's an easier way.
That's the way I'm going.
Okay.
If I can get to it. You got this thing, you got us all fucking way fucked up in here.
Oh, this doesn't look too bad.
Yeah, this was, I could see, I'm like, okay, well, if she wants to do that, more power to her. Oh, damn, there's like, I got so much back momentum here.
Yeah, that would definitely.
Yeah.
Getting over that way is going to be tricky for me.
Well, it's fucking tricky for everybody because this isn't the way any sane person would have fucking gone. There's zero footing here and this shit's steep as fuck. Yeah, if I wasn't so far into it, I'd be getting the fuck out of it. There's nothing really to hold on to here, so. Well, if I can't get to that, probably, because there's nothing to hold on to. This is like straight up and down. Sweet. Still not out of the woods yet. But if you can get over here, work over to this tree. You here? You there? Okay. Guess she's not talking to me. What? Okay. You're on your own, I guess. Because you're not fucking listening. Huh? Okay. Yeah, that's the last time. It's the last time I go a route you pick. Huh?
No, it's fine.
Says you. Well, there's one here too. Yeah, that's what I did. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Like we're fucking nuts, because we are. Yeah, let's pick a shallower grade on the fucking way down. Well, it doesn't matter. Up. I don't know if these are going to be any good, but this one's as good as any. Definitely getting cardio. What's that?
Are we going?
Oh, we're going this way. From here, we're just going to go up and around there. See if that's something. Do shallow grades. Don't necessarily try to climb straight up.
Like we did coming up.
Well, yeah, yeah. So.
All right, let me start my watch again.
Let's do it. Walk around the rocks. Well, you can go with it. If you see a path, take it.
Is that a cow? I don't know.
I don't see any cars.
Is that down there, black truck or a cow?
I don't see it, so.
Right.
So we're on the top of one of the peaks in Dragoon. I don't know what it is off the top of my head, but it's right next to that I believe right there is the highest peak in the Dragoon Mountains. It's Glen Mountain, and we were actually aiming for one up over the top of this one, but it ended up being a little bit more of a aggressive hike than we thought, so we're kind of pooped. We're going to call it a day, and we'll come back and try to do it again another time.
Tell them what we saw.
What did we see?
We saw an albino deer.
Oh, and yeah, we saw an albino deer. Anyway.
So cool.
Yeah. And that's where we're at right here. Up on this top of this, well, not quite the top of, this is a little bump. There's a summit up over there. And the one we want, I think, is down and then up over the top of that. I did it one other time from the other side, but we're going to go back and try it again another day. We decided to take a different way out than the way in because steep, and we're going to try to minimize some of that, at least do less of it. So we're going to go this way out, sort of the opposite direction of where we want to be, but safer and longer is better than dangerous and short, so that's what we're doing. So what I'm hoping is that see where the yellow goes from grass goes from yellow to green. I'm hoping that that's all we can get, a nice this kind of slope. It's getting a little steeper, but it's still not as bad as it was, if we can keep this slope, get down into where that ravine is, and then just walk over, because right over there is where we're going to go.
Yeah.
Instead of having to go all the way around it. But I don't know if that's all the way down at the level where we want to be. That might still be a ways, you know.
We're on an adventure, babe.
Yep. We got time. We got several hours. The cows can do it, but you know, they got 4 legs.
Yeah. We have 2 legs and 2 sticks.
Yeah, which is about having 2 1/4 legs. Just watch out for the scrub. We'll just zigzag through it. It doesn't look, it looks steep, and it does look like it's kind of going to suck a little, but we could manage it, I think. So nice out here, nice and peaceful.
So nice.
Good way out, I think. So pretty down here.
So pretty.
Glad you decided that we needed to go to Dragoon Springs.
Wow, look at that. Oh man.
Yeah, nice. I think that's a bobcat. I'm not sure about, I mean, I could be off on the toe number, but no claws, no any of that. See it?
Yep. Thought I heard a cat earlier.
Wow. It's possible, but that looks like, if you don't have the claw marks, and dogs have more of a, so see how the center pad is round?
Uh-huh.
Dogs have more of a diamond shaped. So when you
That's true, they do.
see a coyote, it's a diamond shape, and then their paws, their other little toes go and stack on that diamond shape, where a cat, they just sort of work around that big round pad. So a little bobcat there.
Yep. Wow, that's a big water over there.
Cool.
It's like yeah, it's like a little pool. Well, you can't see it over the trees, but when I was right there, you could see on the other side of that pile of rocks.
Huh, cool.
A little pool of water.
That really wasn't that sketchy. I probably could have done that. It's all right. Exercise is good. And we made it out.
Made it out. I think I like to hike down better than the hike up.
Yeah, well, the hike down was definitely better than the hike up. That hike up, you got to work on your trail picking skills, because that was
It was
horrible.
good though. No, it was good. It wasn't that bad.
Oh, it's good.
It was actually really good.
It's good if you survive them, you know. Got a boo-boo.
Hey, that's a pretty good cut.
Yeah, it is pretty good, actually. Well, you have water. Don't do it over my pants, but...
No.
That burns. Just burns. Doesn't hurt, just burns.
Make sure I get it off so the band-aid sticks.
That water's getting my ass wet.
We'll get up.
It's okay.
I don't want that to happen down here. Okay, there you go.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah.
So I want to do a selfie and Mike's having a little fit about it.
Fucking bullshit. We do it. You're on video any. Okay, there you go. Whatever you want to do.